Hello and welcome to our quick video on preventing condensation in display fridges. Make sure you watch all the video to learn the most common causes of condensation in display fridges, but more importantly, how to beat it. With 20 years experience in the commercial refrigeration industry, we understand only too well that condensation can be a problem. Let's look at what causes it and how you can prevent it. When cold air inside the cabinet meets warmer air external to the cabinet through the glass door where insulation is minimal, condensation will occur. A small amount of moisture is normal, as refrigeration works by drawing moisture from the air in the refrigerated cabinet. Excess moisture will collect in the bottom of the cabinet at the drainage point and egress via the small drain tube to the evaporator tray or drain pan. However, excessive levels of condensation are not normal and may be caused by one or more of the following factors. Typical causes of excess condensation are water pooling at the bottom of the cabinet, damaged or dirty door seals, frequently open doors or doors left open, and placing warm produce in the cabinet. Water pooling at the bottom of the cabinet may be an issue when the unit is not level, preventing moisture from egressing via the drain hole or drain pipe. Simply adjust the feet or use wooden shims or blocks to level the cabinet and rectify the issue. It can also be caused when the drain hole or drain pipe becomes blocked. This is usually located inside, at the center bottom of the cabinet. Use a thin pipe cleaner to clear any debris and allow moisture to egress freely. Damaged or dirty door gaskets will prevent a tight seal on doors allowing warm air into the cabinet. Check gaskets regularly for signs of dirt or damage. Clean dirty gaskets or replace damaged gaskets to re-establish a sufficient seal on closed doors. When doors are frequently opened or left ajar and not shut correctly, excessive warmer ambient air is allowed into the cabinet. This can not only cause increased condensation but will also affect the efficiency of the cabinet. Ensure that doors are not being opened or left open unnecessarily. We understand this is difficult in a busy store, so self-closing doors are advisable. Placing warm produce into a chiller increases the temperature within the cabinet, causing excessive condensation. It also increases the chances of bacterial growth and raises food safety concerns. Only place ambient or chilled products into chillers. For a more in-depth look at condensation, visit the FFD Info Center. You can find this in the footer of our website or call today for free and impartial advice on 01455 815 200. Thanks for watching.